This is Jwala Singh. I'm the owner of Mumbai Cricket Club. The club was started in 2002. We are having two branches, one in Santa Cruz East, the other is in Churchgate. We are operating in both batches, and morning and evening. We are trying our best to bring some players, those who are really trying to get some platform and trying to get some place to play, and not only play but try to learn, because you can find so many places where you can go and play. Even that same thing you can do in your building or in your society. But playing is the way what you know how to play. But if it comes to the coaching, there has to be some expert, and Mumbai Cricket Club is doing the same. We are expertise in batting, bowling, fielding, and the most important thing, that cricket psychology, which I have developed. That how a cricketer should think while playing a cricket. And since 2002 we have produced many cricketers, like my person who look such Wasim Jafar. He really helps us, and he is associated with me since 2002. The other is Lakshminarayan Shukla. He is a Kolkata Knight Riders player and play for Bengal. He's a good friend of mine. So these people are always behind it, including Vinayak Mane. He's the current coach of Mumbai Under-23 team, and he is the ex-Ranji Trophy captain. Iqbal Abdullah, he's played for Mumbai Cricket Club in one of the tournament. Many more. Even the list is very long. And if the current, if I say something very exciting for me, which really motivates me to continue what I'm doing, is one of the student. He is doing really well. His name is Yashashvi Jaiswal. Before few weeks back, one of the record has gone to the Limca books. The best batting and bowling performance in one cricket match. He created the history, scoring 319 not out, and took 13 wickets in the same match in Gail Shield, one of the top tournament in school cricket for India, more than 100 years old tournament this is. He is really very exciting cricketer. With all coaching and all, we doesn't do only that player should learn cricket, but we have some other supporting activities as well. Like Mumbai Cricket Club is the organizer of biggest T20 league of Mumbai, called Mitsui Soji T20 League. The title sponsor is Tata Motor. Some other activities, like we regularly send to our students to different countries like South Africa, Sri Lanka, Nepal. I can proudly say that Nepal developed his cricket with us. We sent our team so many times. So the player were getting the platform to play with international standard players. So we are really trying to do our best, and even I can say that we are trying to help the cricketers who are really seeking. It's like a cricket institute. We produce anything. We are expertise in batting department. Like some of them, those are successful. Mostly they are the bats. But we cannot say that we are just stopping in batting. We have bowling. We have fielding. We have fitness. The most important thing that many big players comes to me, and try to understand how to get to the next level, which is very important. Sometimes you are tired to doing the same thing so many years, and you try to do the same routine so many years, and you're not going further. So that time they comes to me and ask why this is happening. So that's why I said that I have developed a cricket psychology which really helps. Technique, after some time, if you talk about the cricket technique, it's helpless. I mean, after some time you are so expert in your work, so that you have really worked hard on technique where there's no room for the improvement. So you need to think that how I have to go ahead. So that's why I said that we have developed a cricket psychology, which really people takes to the normal level, or the level where they are, to the next level.
I am here from last 4 years. I am a fast bowler, and sir is a very good coach. उन्होंने हमें काफ़ी कुछ सिखाया. बेसिकली वो हमें सिखाते हैं कि कैसे खुद के ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस रखना है, कैसे आगे हार्ड वर्क करना है. बाकी सब कुछ बताते हैं, ये ड्रिल्स है, वो ड्रिल्स है. वो ड्रिल्स से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट खुद के ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस रखना, ये सिखाया. फिटनेस करते हैं, ऑक्सीजन ट्रेनिंग, उससे काफ़ी हेल्प होता है.
मेरा नाम ईशान है. बैटिंग भी अभी काफ़ी अच्छे से सीख रहा हूँ. सर के वजह ये क्लासेस से 4 साल से आ रहा हूँ. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सर एकदम डिटेल में अच्छे से सब कुछ सिखा देते हैं.